Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am here with my buddy Cooper. And we are going to set up this. Oh, wait, hold on a minute, dog. We're going to set up this here. This is the GPS pet electronic fence equipment. So this is going to, I think we'll be able to section off a certain area of the outside here so Cooper doesn't run free and just disappear. And that will give us some safety. So let's check out what all is in here. We have a caution warning one. We have our instruction guide, which we will probably need. I have everything out of the box. It's all in these two little boxes. So let's see what's in here. In here, we have our charging cable. So that's USB to USB-C. And we have our, let's see. This is gonna be our GPS device, our eFence. And what is this? More stuff. Oh, a plug. So, okay, so we have everything here we need. So so this is going to be our tester for it too. So we can use this for outdoor usage only. Guess you don't want a GPS of your dog inside. So this is it's cool. What's cool about this is you don't need to put any strings or anything like that in the ground. You just have this device here, and you have with these little screw things here on the back, you can put those onto this somehow this is going to be the tester for it. Okay, so we kind of turned it on here, and I don't know if you can see, it's got like different satellites and stuff that it finds. I don't know if it's going to be flipping through because of the frame rate, but for me it says GPS number 10. It's got batteries, it's got different things there. So I can set different things on here. So I can go into my settings mode, I can push P, and it says searching satellites. If I hit, now it changes to 11. If I hit S, I can change my, that's how you change the settings. So now I'm changing between 10 and 11 for the satellites. I can do up, if I hold down, I think the S key, is that the one? But okay, I'm not exactly sure, but I can tell you what you can do here from just looking at the instructions. And I need to read it a little more. I only looked at it for a minute. We're gonna have the ability to set our radius. So I'll just so if I set it up like right here, right now, I could set up like in default is 65 feet. So it'll have a 65-foot radius. So it'll get, halfway down the yard. It doesn't get too far on this one here. But I can set up different radiuses and make it go a little longer or shorter. So as you go into the different settings mode, I don't think you guys can see it because it was all flashing, but I can push it and do the up and down key to change the different settings. Like right now it's set for, I don't know if you can see it's at 65, but then I would be able to change it. That's my distance, and I can say the speaker is set for 1, the vibration is set for 0, the shock is off, and right now it just says remember off. So it's kind of, it just has this thing here, and right now it has 0, 0 because I'm not anywhere far away from my distance. So if I move away, it's probably going to change the number of it. So yeah, it says step 108. Yeah, now it just goes different numbers and stuff as you go further away, so it can kind of track how far away you are from the starting point. So you can have basically it gives you a circle around where you're at. So if you're in a park or something like that, you can give your dog a circle radius to play in. It's not like you set up a specific fence and say this point, this point, this point, this point, and mark out your property. It's more of a radius type thing. So so just keep that in mind when you're setting this up. If you have a very square property and you want your dog to go all the way to the edges or something, you'd want a different type of fence than this. But look at how cool this is. And then it gives you the little tester here. So if I was to put this on here, if I had it on shock mode, and then I put the tester on here and I walk out of my range, it's gonna go and do a little flash on there as what it will do. Actually, let's go try it and see if we walk away. I don't know, it's light out, so I don't know. Oh, I don't have it on shock mode. Let me turn it right back on here. 1 second. I'm trying to think how far, I don't know how far that's gonna be from where we're at here, but I'm gonna end up in the sun, so I don't even know if we're gonna see it. I'm watching it. We're probably, I don't know if we're gonna get 65 feet away actually here on this direction. Tell me if you see it go. You know what? I'm probably not 65 feet away from the house. Oh, there. See, it flashed. There, it's beeped. So this is telling us we are at our distance. So this is would tell the dog to, hey, you better go back. And I think as you get further and further away, it goes from beeping to flashing mode, or to whatever it's called. Beeping to vibration and to shock. So how cool is that? So neat little device here. And then when the dog starts walking back towards home, hopefully the beeping will stop. There we go. So we're back in range. So we made it. So this is 65 feet, I guess, from here back to there. So how cool is that? And it works by satellite. So you can just take this to the park and set it up there. And so your dog won't run away from you, as long as you've trained them what it means. You know, right now the dogs aren't going to know what the beeping is. Well, these dogs will, because they have had other collars on before. But you kind of got to teach it that what the beeping means and all that stuff. But it's still cool. So really nice little device. And now I am back to where my starting point is. So we are good. So it's a cool little device. I like it. And so these guys will be wearing it when we go to the park. So, right? That one there already jumped in the water. So super cool. Thumbs up.